For the first time, we start our journey from here to Jalak Hill. So Jalak Hill is our next point, okay, where we can get motorcyclists get together, and after that, from Jalak Hill, we make our journey to Bhaktapur.
You heard the man. We're going to Durikal, to Bhaktapur, and I guess at Bhaktapur there's something going on. I don't know what it is, but we're going to find out. The reason for riding motorcycles today is to promote hand washing. Very important. Always wash your hands.
6 steps of proper hand washing follow गर्ने पर्ने हुन्छ.
यो बुढी औँलाले चाहिँ तलपट्टि पनि गर्नुपर्छ है. यो चाहिँ बिर्सिनु हुँदैन. त्यसपछि अर्कोपट्टि पनि 1 2
Tell us again, what's it saying?
Yeah, we have to wash by the soap, okay? And that's very compulsory to be healthy, and it's the day of World Hand Wash Day. Thank you.